Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to this channel. So guys, there are so many ways on how to make money online. I have mentioned several on this channel. So we have article writing, we have academic writing, we have transcription. You can also earn as a web designer. You can earn from data entry, surveys, and so many other ways. So now the problem comes where you need to choose maybe one or two ways and then maybe focus on them. So I get some questions. So what exactly should I do online to earn money and things like that? So that is why I have decided to tackle this topic. I'm going to just give you pointers on how you can know which one to go for. So thank you so much for clicking on this video, guys. If you're new here, my name is Judith. I do how to make money online videos, personal finance, and personal development videos. If that is your kind of content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, click the red button to subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. And please consider sharing me out to your friends, to your colleagues, to anyone who might be looking for different ways to earn money online. So now, when choosing what to do online to earn money, I say the first thing that you need to consider is passion. Yeah, because now, for example, for me, I was employed before I started working online. I was doing an 8 to 5 office job, and most of the time, such those jobs, okay, you do them for money. Let us just be frank. Most of the time, I'm sure there are those who enjoy their career and all that, but most of us, we do it for money. So now when you come to something like freelance work, I believe you should now choose something that you enjoy doing, something that comes naturally for you. If you have always loved writing, then definitely you should go for writing. If you enjoy creating things, if you are good in being creative and all that, then you can do web design and related stuff. If you are good in transcription, then you go for it. So that is so you should consider your passion first and foremost. And then secondly, you need to consider the pay. As much as data entry jobs, those surveys, and such related jobs, they are easy to do. They are easy to do, yeah. But now what about the pay? Now you need to consider that if you are doing it just to get money for groceries and all that, then well and good, you can do data entry and surveys. But if you want to create a good amount of income out of it, then data entry is not something that you need to concentrate so much on. Maybe consider other ventures like transcription, like writing, like web design, affiliate marketing, and all that. So that is the pay, number 2. Then number 3, you need to consider your skills. As much as you would want to be a writer, by the way, I always tell people writing is not for everyone. You don't have to be a writer. You can do other things. So maybe writing pays well, yes. Maybe you have always wanted to be a writer, yes, good. But now, are you able to write content that clients will actually pay for so that you can earn that dollar? That is another question that you need to ask yourself. If you have the skill to actually deliver what you are required of as a writer or as a transcriptionist. And then number 4, sorry, consider the availability of jobs. I know that for me, when it comes to writing, I know that we can only get better when it comes to content writing, because businesses, every other business, I don't know who still doesn't have a website or online presence as a business person, but I'm assuming that every business person out there has an online presence. Online presence means it needs content. And who are going to write that content? Us, the content writers, right? So I believe content is something that people will always need for the longest time, as long as the internet keeps growing. So that is another thing that you need to consider when you are choosing whatever you want to do online, because as much as you are good at something, you also need to be sure that people are looking for your services, so that you can be able to find those clients, render your services, and get paid. Now, another thing that I always tell people, now those are the four things that you can consider when you are starting out and you are confused on what to do online. Now, I always tell people this, guys, you don't need to just concentrate on one thing. Maybe start out with like for example, for me, I actually trained in transcription when I was just getting to know about online jobs. I trained as a transcriptionist, but now the problem was that I had been doing a call center job, which was so, ugh, every time I think about it, I just feel cringe. Like my ears could not just allow it. So yeah, so because they were already sensitive from the call center job, so I couldn't start again on transcription, because you also need to use headphones when you are a transcriber. Another thing, I don't know, it requires you, transcription requires you to use, I don't know, is it four of your senses or what? Listening, hearing, and then I don't know which one else. Like, you have to pay attention completely, and that is not something that I want to do. But if you're good at it, there are people who love doing transcription jobs. So if it is your area, by all means go for it. Just wasn't mine. And then, so I wanted to say that you don't have to actually just do one thing. You can start out as a transcriptionist, then maybe later on, if you feel that it is not working for you, you can always transition to article writing. You can also always transition to web designing or academic writing or any other thing. You can start out as a data entry person and then transition to writing or anything else. Also, you can do 2 or the 3 things at a go. This is freelance, by the way. You don't need to limit yourself. You're not working for a particular person, so you can always jump from one skill to the next, from one client to the next. Okay, so maybe you can start by doing article writing, then also combine with transcription. I have seen people who do that, as long as it is working for you. Or now that other jobs are seasonal, like academic writing, you can also learn about article writing, so that when the season is over for academic writing, then you join article writing as you wait for the season to pick up. So that is how you survive online, guys. So at the end of the day, you are the one who will decide on what you want to do. I cannot decide for you. Article writing might have worked for me, but now it doesn't mean that it will work out for you. But something else might work out for you. So just continue trying. You can start with one thing. When you reach a plateau, you can go back to and start learning a different skill, like that, until you find that which works best for you, and then perfect it and run with it. So that's it, guys, in choosing, or how to choose or know which venture or which online work to venture into. So I hope you have learned something from this video. If you have, remember to give me a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, okay? Share me out. Share to anyone who is looking for different ways to earn money online, because that is what I talk about on this channel. So thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye.